we're very excited about the growth in our data science team. I think one of the big things that people are starting to realize is that the data holds a lot of information, a lot of opportunity for businesses to figure out how to do things better, how to do things faster, how to improve their customers' experience. So, we're very excited to work on those kinds of projects. And even though they can be, mundane on the surface, they actually are quite fascinating when you dig into the details. So, for example, we work with the National Coal Authority in the United Kingdom, and they manage all of these coal mines, and they use water in the process. And at some point in time, that water becomes dirty, and they have to treat it and clean it. And they've just been doing it formulaically for years. And what we were able to discover by mining their data is that we could actually reduce the amount of lime they were using by 50%. So, that not only saves a lot of money for the National Coal Authority to the tune of millions of pounds a year, but it also is better for the environment because dosing lime into the water supply unnecessarily isn't good for the environment. So we really look for projects like that. Another example is the project we do for the government of India, where we're helping to use AI and data science to measure and predict the quality of water in the Ganges River. So, of course, the farther north you are, the cleaner the water is. As you move south and you move through the cities and the industrial and farm areas, the water becomes more and more polluted, and the cost to obtain a clean glass of drinking water skyrockets. They're employing numerous technologies to clean water and to make it safer for their population, but without data and the mining of the data and using AI to predict what will happen to the cost of water and to the types of technologies being used, it's just a guessing game. We have given them the ability to actually see the data in a way that they can make powerful decisions about what technologies to invest in and when to adapt and adjust based on predictions of water flow and water volumes and the needs of the farms and the needs of the local communities. This decision-making platform is a game changer, right? It's giving them the power to have control over the water source and the money that's being invested in cleaning the Ganges River and making sure it's directed in the right way. Other projects, we worked for a medical device company where the machinery was breaking down and they were getting phone calls from customers complaining, and it was very expensive to fly techs out to fix the equipment. We looked at the data and could figure out an algorithm using machine learning to predict when those machines were going to fail. And we actually were able to achieve a 99% accuracy in the prediction of machine failure 7 days ahead of time. Again, it's kind of game-changing for them because instead of responding to calls from customers, they now can look at their fleet of machines and know which ones need service and when, and schedule fewer techs to go on fewer road trips to keep the machines all up and running. Saves time, saves money, less impact on the environment. They're very happy with it. But more importantly, there's less disruption to the medical practices, less disruption to the end users, the patients, who don't have to be rescheduled because they showed up for a procedure and were told the machine broke.